everyone, today it's Indy's birthday party, but yesterday was her real birthday, and we're going to a surprise place and only Mum and Dad and me know. Hi, we're at Hippo Cafe, bye!
Wait your turn, Indy.
Scan your thing. Do it again. Hi everyone, this is my sparkle, and let me show you. Inside here is water. Did you know that? And if you take that, if you open that, then some water will come out. But look, watch this, ready? It's so thick. Look at it. It feels like jelly. A fork. Hold it really tight, okay? Don't let it fall. Indy. Mine. Yay! Hold on.
Jackson. Cheer for her feet, Jackson.
Dig it, okay, scoop it. Scoop it, Indy!
Go, Indy! Go, Indy!
Okay, hold on really tight.
Hold it! Put it in the basket! Good job, that's funny.
Good job, you like it?
That's funny, good job.
Trơn chứ là tự thi trơn chậm thi như này không trơn trơn thấy nó tự thi trơn không trơn đó một ba đây ta anh thấy gì tặng
Wait, where's my wallet? Where's my wallet? Wait, this is not even mine, this is yours. So I got this cute little fluffy bear. This frog.
Piggy or froggy?
A pig. And where's my wallet? Can I just and a very, very soft bunny and it's so cute.
My wallet, why do you need it?
Yeah, you can have the froggy. And the froggy? Hurry at Indy's birthday, and we got to and we have a cafe. Bye bye.
3, 2, 1.
Yes,